Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we have an exciting gadget to talk about, the Memolife P12 Label Maker Machine with tape. A portable Bluetooth label printer with a range of features for your labeling needs.
The Memolife P12 Label Maker is a versatile label printer that offers a wide range of options for creating labels.
It comes in a stylish green color and is compact, making it easy to carry around.
The P12 Label Maker can be connected to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, allowing you to create labels using the Print Master app.
With 12 language options, 1096 symbols, 62 frames, and 3 text size choices, this label maker offers extensive customization.
It can print on various materials, including fabric, satin ribbon, paper, and plastic, making it suitable for various labeling needs.
Labels created by this machine are resistant to fading, water, and cold temperatures, ensuring longevity. Ideal for home storage and organization, office file classification, school labeling, and more.
It can be powered by 6 AAA alkaline batteries or USB power for convenience.
The Memolife P12 Label Maker is priced at $19.99 on Amazon.
Prime members can enjoy fast, free shipping, and there's an option to buy it for $15.99 with Prime membership. There's also a promotion where you can save 10% on one P12 Black on clear label tape replacement for every one qualifying item you purchase from Memolife. In the box, you'll find the label maker itself, a 1/2 by 13 feet label maker refill, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. The Memolife P12 Label Maker has received positive reviews from customers, with an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Customers appreciate its ease of use, versatility, and clear print quality. In conclusion, the Memolife P12 Label Maker Machine with tape is a handy tool for all your labeling needs. With its Bluetooth connectivity, multiple templates, and durable labels, it offers convenience and customization. Despite some minor drawbacks, it's a valuable addition to your home, office, or school organization toolkit.
That's it for today's product critique review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. If you have any questions or would like to see more product reviews, please leave a comment below.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.